Now, I will explain this very simply. Listen carefully. In this world, there are donkeys. Donkeys eat barley. Sometimes they eat watermelon rinds too. Donkeys have leaves in their pockets. Let these leaves be money. At the beginning, there is little barley. When barley is scarce, it is valuable. Everyone wants barley, but because there is little barley, it is expensive. This is normal. Now the farmer plants more barley. Barley increases. Barley is everywhere. This time, barley becomes cheaper, because things that are common are not valuable. This is also normal. Now think of another situation. Barley stays the same, but donkeys want more barley. Everyone rushes to buy it. Barley becomes expensive again because many want it. This is called demand increase. Now another situation. Barley is the same, but there is drought. The farmer produces less barley. Barley decreases, barley becomes expensive because it is scarce. This is normal too. Now we come to the main issue. Barley is the same, number of donkeys is the same, but one thing changes. Donkeys have more leaves in their pockets than before, meaning more money. Everyone thinks they are rich, but the amount of barley did not change. What happens? Everyone runs to the same barley with more money. The result? Barley gets more expensive because money increased. When money increases, its value goes down. This is called inflation. Then donkeys say, barley is too expensive. The government says, no problem, we will print more leaves. Leaves are printed, donkeys rush to buy barley again. Barley becomes even more expensive. The government prints more leaves. Prices rise again. This keeps going. Eventually, leaves become useless. The donkey cannot even buy watermelon rind. The problem is not barley. The problem is money. The more money there is, the less it is worth. This is inflation. Very simple. Now the result. If the donkey's money increases and the barley price stays the same, the donkey becomes richer. If the donkey's money stays the same and barley gets more expensive, the donkey becomes poorer. If the donkey's money increases together with barley prices, there is no problem. The solution is not keeping money under the pillow. The solution is turning money into valuable things like barley, because money shrinks when it waits. The one who understands wins. Not strength, but smart thinking wins.